Want to know how to convert the style of the code in Cursor AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's go straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Cursor AI application. And we have also created a video on how to install and log into Cursor AI, so make sure to watch that. So once all of it is done, so you can just simply open up a file and start writing your code. Now, in order to convert the style of the code and how the code works, you can just simply edit the code. So you can quick edit it by selecting Ctrl+A, and now once after you Ctrl+A, just simply select Ctrl+K, which can lead on to quick edit. So you can just simply type in anything that you like on the prompt based on what style you have to change. Select enter once you have typed the prompt and it should change it. And that's it, super simple and easy. Just simply select keep and you should be good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.